determinant of a matrix. We have already discussed matrices. Now we will discuss the quantity value of a matrix, that is determinant of a matrix. So it comes under mathematics obviously for class 12th. Now let us discuss chapter 4, determinant. Now what is determinant? Determinant of a matrix. The determinant of a matrix is a special number that can be calculated from a square matrix. A matrix is an array of matrix which we write in brackets. Now what is matrix? Now let us take an example which I have just shown you. This is a matrix in which first row is 4 7 and second row is 1 6. So a matrix which contains 2 rows and 2 columns. How to find determinant of this matrix? Just take diagonal multiplication, 4 into 6 minus 7 into 1, and it gives you 24 minus 7 is equal to 17. Now what is it for? Means what is the use for determinant? The determinant tells us things about the matrix that are useful in systems of linear equations, help us find the inverse of a matrix, and it is very useful in calculus and many more fields of mathematics. Now what is the symbol of determinant? The symbol of determinant is 2 vertical lines either side. Example, bar A means a determinant of a matrix A. Actually you have already used this sign and it was a symbol of absolute value. It was the symbol of determinant of a matrix. Now let us calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix which I have just shown you in previous case. Now let me tell you symbolically. Suppose a determinant we need to find of A which contain 2 by 2, in which first row is AB, second row is CD. Then simply we take determinant of A is equal to cross multiplication of A with D minus cross multiplication of B with C. So the determinant of A equals A times D minus B times C. It's quite easy to remember by this example which I have just shown you. This is a diagonal cross. So blue is for positive and red is for negative. We take blue A into D minus red C into D. By this way you can find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us discuss the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. A 3 by 3 matrix, for example, it contains 3 rows and 3 columns. A is equal to first row ABC, second row DEF, third row GHI. So the determinant will be A into, we take A, that is first element of first column, into cross multiplication of E with I minus F with H, just like 2 by 2 expansion of those two, minus B into DI, just hide EH now, and take D into I minus F into G, and plus take third one and cross multiplication of D with H minus E with G. So by this way you can find the determinant. You can easily learn this by this pattern. A into, we take, means A is a element A11. So A11 means we have to delete first row and first column. What left? A 2 by 2 determinant which contain EHFI, and just take the value of that determinant. Minus B. Here we have to take minus because the position is 1 2, first row and second column. Wherever we have got odd position we simply take minus as a multiple of cofactor. So B into, just hide first row and second column. What left? DGFI, and their cross multiplication gives us the value, and plus we take C. What is the position? 1 3, and 1 plus 3 is 4, that is sum is positive, so we take positive here. And then what left by deleting first row and third column? DEGH. Take their cross product and find the answer. Let's discuss this thing by example. It will be quite easy for you to learn it by example. Now C is a determinant which contain first row 6 1 1, 4 minus 2 5, 2 8 7. When we expand it along first row, we take 6, that is first row and first column. eliminated, and what left? Minus 2, 5, 8, 7. Their cross product gives us the value of that determinant. Then take minus 1. Why to take minus? Because the position is 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Whenever we have odd position, we take negative. Then we take a determinant which we obtained by deleting first row and second column. What left? 4, 2, 5, 7. Their cross product gives us 4 into 7 minus 5 into 2. Then take third, A, 1, 3. So plus 1 into what left? 4 into 8 minus 2 into 2. So after calculating it, we will get the determinant of C, which is minus 306. So finally we have got the definition of determinant. With every square matrix, we associate a unique number called the determinant of matrix, and it is denoted by determinant of A. Thank you.